design and it's time for you to save your design. So you will go to File, you go Save As, then you're going to save it. You can always save on your computer to allow on Creative Cloud online to allow you to edit anywhere, but you will save on your computer. And when you save it on your computer, you have different formats. So you can save it for in Adobe PDF. That is, if you want it to be like a PDF document, you can share with someone, you can print it out, you can show people, you can even share it in presentations. You can save it as Adobe PDF. But if you want to save it for the laser cutting machine, because you want maybe to engrave and to cut out that design, save it as SVG. That's how you save on your computer. So but if you're just saving the design and you want to use the design later and it's just for saving purposes, you will want to save it under Adobe Illustrator. Just save it as default. Default is .ai. So I'll want you to save it as AI, but only when you want now to do the other things. AI will automatically open the way it has opened, but when you want to do other things like laser cutting, that's when you now open your AI file and save it as again in a format called SVG. But just leave it as AI, your default, and just hit save. It will ask you this, click OK, and it has saved in your computer.